Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today I'm very happy to share with you one of the 10 delicious dishes made from the little gadget, which is they have 3 trays. One is 4 cake mold, one is the plain one, and the third one will be the 18 cake mold. If you remember before, I have shared with you how to make the rice cake with 18 cake at a time. This is the tray, but the other machine is just single like this. This one have 3 different trays. So if you did not buy the other one yet, you can try this one. Check it out, the link I put at the description. And the 18 cake mold is in there. So please check it out, okay? Today, the first of 10, I will share with you from the tray with 4 cake mold, how to make the pork sausage. In the past, I have shared with you how to make the pork sausage with the banana wrap and with the fry. So today is a lot more simple, not with banana leaf and no fry, no oil. So we're going to use very simple way, but the taste is still very delicious. Very simple to do. So come on in, join me with Lee Dynasty Kitchen today, how to make the grilled pork sausage from Little Gadget. Look at this yummy grilled pork sausage. No oil, no fry, but it's so delicious, so yummy, and it's very easy to do. You will like it, and I hope you will try it to make it because it's so easy. Grilled pork sausage can eat with so many different dishes. So let's find out how to do it. First of all, for the ingredient, we need 200 grams of pork fat, 20 grams of cornstarch, 4 grams of fish sauce, 14 grams of sea salt, 5 grams of Alsa baking powder, 39 grams of sugar, and 15 grams of chopped garlic. All these ingredients we will need to mix with 2.5 pounds of the ground pork. 2.5 pounds of ground pork, and we're gonna mix all these ingredients in the bowl. And before we put into the pork, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of the water. After you put 4 tablespoons of water, you will mix all well. Okay, mix all well, and then put into the bowl with the pork and the pork fat. As usual, I have shared before how to make the sausage. Mix all together. Okay, there we go. Now mix nicely the ingredient with the pork and the pork fat. Use a glove, of course it's very cold, and then just slam it down, a few times. If you look at my video before, it's the same procedure to make the pork sausage I have shared in the past. Okay, slam down the meat to the bowl, a few times, and that's it. After that, we're gonna divide into 3 parts. Wrap with the plastic saran wrap. Divide in 3 and fold it flat like this. After you do divide by 3, and then after that you can put in the freezer. You can do it, put in the freezer for a few hours until it gets frozen harder a little bit. If not, you can leave it for the next day. No rush. Okay, that's it. Okay, now go straight to the freezer after this. Next day, you can bring it down. Okay, leave it soft a little bit, just like that. Cut it off into the small pieces. Okay, remember the meat is still hard, Okay, cut it out in a small piece and then put in the fridge. Remember, you can cut all 3 pieces, then you can eventually do one by one to grind it. Okay, now the whole 3 piece like this today, we're gonna grind it in about 3-4 times because to make it easy. And then I will do it in about 3 times, every time about 20 to 25, rounded of the plate. So just do like this. Each time after that, you can make sure everything is even, the meat is all down to the bowl. Okay? And just grind it like last time I have shared before. Okay? About 3 times until you get, those textures is very nice and smooth. Then it's ready. Every time you do about 20 to 25 the plate turn, They look at this, like this, the textures, that means it's ready. Okay, so now you can put into the plate and put back to the freezer. Remember, always keep the meat cold. Okay, the second tour, same thing. Grind it for the first 20 times of the plate turn. Open it, spread the meat out to make it all even. Okay, we divide into about 4 times or 5 times so the meat easy to get grind because it's still hard. Look at this. The texture is perfect. So everything we grind it and we put it back to the fridge until it's done. Now we have the whole plate and the meat is still cold. This is the way it's supposed to be. Now you're going to use 1.5 cup and half of the cup to measure, approximately to make it all even. So after you take it out 1.5 cup of the meat, you put on the cutting board, add a little bit oil in your hand, slam it down to the cutting board a few times, divide the meat into 4 pieces. Try to make it even as much as you can, but that's okay. No worries, some less, some more. Okay, even it out, round it. Okay, round it, and then put in the plate. Okay, you're gonna do all this, finish it all before you cook it. So see, like that, smooth it out, round it up, and then put in the plate. Remember, after each time, please put back the meat to the fridge. We want to keep the meat cold at all the time. This will help, and that is a trick to make sure the meat, the sausage is nice and chewy. 1.5 cup. We can just get it as even as much as we can, that's all. With 1.5 cup, we're going to divide into 4 portions, which you're going to see more at the end when we cook in the sausage, and Alright, a little bit more here, a little bit less there, and just round it up into the small round piece like this. Remember, before the first one already done is in the fridge. After you done the second time, you put it back to the plate and again to the fridge. We make sure the meat is always cold. Okay, just like this. Back to the fridge and continue until you're done. There we go. Now time to make the sausage. This is how is small and very convenient the griddle. Okay, add some another oil to make the colors nice. Okay, and then put to the mold. the 4 cake mold we have today, we're gonna make 4 sauces at every time. Press it down. You may use the spoon to flat it down easier. I have done already cooked few sauces already. This is the second time. So use the spoon to press it down. Press it down nice to make the sausage stay flat. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now it's time to add some another oil on the top to make the color look nice. If the sausage will fry, it will have some nice yellow color. But because of the the grill, so you will add some colors. If you like, if not, it's just optional. Turn on the stove at 450. Okay, and keep in mind about 40 seconds. You can open the lid and turn to the other side. We don't want to stay at one side too long because it may get burned. So add another oil on top if you wish. Okay. At this time, you can cover the lid and you may turn it down a little bit to maybe 350, 400. Okay. Keep in mind another 40 seconds. Turn around the other side by using the wood stick, the skewer stick. Very easy. Okay, turn the other side one more time. It's about 3 times and we're done. It's very fast. Now you can turn it off the machine. Okay, leave it for a little bit. Now it's time to take it out. Use the skewer stick, bring it down. You may use a paper towel to get some, excess oil. See how nice and yummy. Now, just watch it a few more times and you will see how to make the sausage and when you can turn it on or turn it off the stove during the procedure. Look at these yummy grilled pork sauces. With the new method, new concept, you will make the yummy Vietnamese pork sauces very fast and very easy, isn't it? Beautiful and very yummy. 2.5 pound ground pork today, we're gonna make 20 pieces like that. Now time to cut it out to try. So yummy. So chewy. It's very easy. It's very hot, so I had to use a school stick here. Look at this. Look at yummy and delicious Vietnamese pot sauces we just made. Very easy way to do with the new concept. No oil. No oil to use. Look at that. I hope you like my share today. Okay, and try to do it. This is one of the 10 or more dishes was made from this machine. 2.5 pounds of the ground pork. Today we're gonna make 20 pieces of pork sauces. Very easy to do and very yummy to eat. I hope you like my share today, and if you do, please give my video the thumbs up, and please try it because it's very easy to do. Okay, pork sauces, after you make, you can wrap it up nicely and put in the fridge. If you want it warm, you can just warm up in microwave for 30 seconds. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Lee Dynasty Kitchen. And for you who understand Vietnamese, please check it out my Vietnamese channel. I have the link. So Lee Hua Dynasty Kitchen, if you want to stop by and check it out. Thank you very much for watching the video today, and I hope you like my share, and please try it to do at home. The link to get the machine I will put in the description, so please check it out. And please don't forget to watch out for my next video. Another yummy dish made from this machine is the krill tapioca shrimp and pork cake. Very yummy, very tasty, and you will love it. It's very easy to do and very fast. Please watch out, and thanks again for support Lee Dynasty Kitchen, and I hope to see you soon for the next time. Thanks again, and have a nice weekend.